So one more, that is if statement with logical operator. Let me see the syntax. So we will discuss about the syntax first. Later we'll discuss more. So here we have, I said you very clearly, if is a keyword here, and you can see in if condition, you can observe this one in this braces. So there is a one condition, again there is a one more condition, condition one and condition two. Here you will provide a expression, something like 5 is greater than 2, 7 is greater than 2, 10 is greater than 2, 10 is less than 2, like that. We are going to provide the expression. If this expression is true, again here also true. For that I will give you logic here. What is that logic is nothing but, wait, I will explain that one. See, if it is both are true, then only it will go to execute. Otherwise, it will go to the else part. I will show you that one. Again, if both the conditions are false, it will go to the else part. If the both conditions are true, it will go to the block of statement. Again, rest of code, same thing. So this is for AND condition. Again, for OR condition, you can see if both are one true, one false. Okay, then also it will execute the statement. It will not go to the else part like that. For that, you can, I will show you. For example, you take this one. This is condition number one. True means I will going to take it as 1 year. So here one. Okay, if both are true, then only it will going to execute this statement. So like this. Okay. Again, here come to the this one and condition itself. Now we check. So what I will do here, I will take 1. Again here I will take 0. 0 is nothing but what? That is false actually. 1 and 0 actually, and is nothing but both are true, then only true, otherwise no. Okay, so that's why this statement will not go to execute. That's why it will go to the rest of the code. Again here, again one more thing, instead of 0, if you have 1, 1 and 1 both are true, then it will execute this anything. Okay, vice versa, whatever. So here this is 1, here 0. In this R condition, what it says that if any one of the condition is true, then go to that particular statement, execute the statement like this, go inside and execute this. Okay, now sir, what about this one? 1 and 1, then also true, true means also executes. Again, you can ask me that, sir, both are false. Then both are false, 0 0, then it will go to the else part. So condition you understood, I think. If both are false, then only it will go to the else part here. So if any one is false, it will go to the else part like that. So we'll write a small program and we will want to wind it up. So we'll want to wind it. Hmm.